Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you exactly how to move your website from the classic Squarespace 5 all the way up to the modern Squarespace 7.1. Let's get right to it. First, you actually have to use a stepping stone. You cannot jump straight to 7.1. Go to the Squarespace website and start a free trial for a version 7.0 site using a template like Bedford. Once you are in your new dashboard, go to Website. Open the Import and Export Content panel and click Import. Choose the version 5 option, enter your old account login name and password, and hit Begin Import. Now that your old content is safely inside 7.0, it's time to upgrade. Go back to your home menu, click Website, then Design, and finally select Update to version 7.1. Preview your new site and click Publish. Do not worry, this will not break your live Squarespace 5 site just yet. All your imported pages will be hidden in the Not Linked section, so just go into each page's settings and toggle Enable Page to make them visible. The final crucial step is fixing your images. During the transfer, your old pictures imported as code blocks. If you leave them like this, they will break when you eventually cancel your old account. Go into your page editor, delete the old code blocks for images, and add a new standard image block. When it asks for a picture, select from your library. All your old images were safely moved to your asset library during the import, so you just need to click the right one to place it perfectly back on the page. And that is it. Your site is officially upgraded to the latest engine. If this migration guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.